Okay, so let's summarize what we have learned today. We discussed the introduction to Jetpack Compose. Then we discussed declarative versus imperative UI, how they are different. We learned about composable functions, how to use it as the basic building blocks for creating UI. Then we talked about state management, how to use remember and mutable state of to create and manage states. Then we talked about building screens. We walked through the code for search activity.kt. We understood scaffold, top app bar, column, button, how to structure the screen. We talked about lazy column, how to efficiently list all the outputs without crashing our application. Then we discussed about UI to logic connection, how to use um, collect as state as a subscriber to the state flow in the logical layer, and using that how to observe data and make changes in the UI. And then we did a small practical lab, and now we are going to look at what we're going to cover in the next module. So in the next module we will talk about the logical layer, the core logic of this application. So we will discuss about why background processing is crucial. How does it help in the architecture? Then we will talk about how to access securely the user files, maintaining the privacy. Then we will deep dive into the file indexer worker, which is the core code for the logical layer. Then what third party libraries did we use, how to integrate it in your code. Then we will talk about the on device AI model, and then we will again do a small practice lab. So, again, thank you for joining. Please share this session with your friends or your relatives who want to learn about Android application development. Thank you again.